Hi, this is Jonathan Cook with NCSI. In this video, we'll go through configuring Ivanti Neurons for service management to use a Google Workspace account for receiving emails. We're going to start by going to the Google Cloud Console. So from the console, you can either use an existing project or create a new one. We'll just use an existing. Then we can navigate to APIs and services. We'll click Enable APIs and Services. And scroll down to Google Workspace and select the Gmail API. We'll enable that. Okay, with that enabled, we can go to Credentials and click the Create Credentials dropdown, selecting Service Account. Create a new one, give it a name, and click Done. Okay, so we can open up that service account now. We're going to copy the email and the unique ID. We're going to need those in just a moment. So switch over to the admin console in Google, go to Security, Access and Data Control, and then API Controls. And from here, we can enable Manage Domain-Wide Delegation for this account. So we'll click New under API Clients, and we can use that Service Account ID. And for the scope, we're going to say https mail.google.com. Click Authorize. Okay, and that should be it on the Google side. We can go over to Neurons for Service Management. We'll open our email config. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new inbox. Give it a name. Select our protocol. We'll make that Google Service account. For the address, we'll use our mailbox address. This is the Google account that you want to receive and monitor for Neurons for service management. Then we can copy the Google account email and paste that in our service account address. And we actually need to go back over here to the Google Cloud, back on that service account and go to Keys. We're going to do Add Key, create a new key, leave it defaulted with JSON, and create. That'll download a JSON file. We can open that up in your editor of choice. We're going to copy everything inside the private key here. Go back to Ivanti and we'll use that as our private key. I'm going to leave the rest of this defaulted. For email processor, select whichever you're going to be using. I'll use incident and have those go to service desk. For our sender, let's use method 1, and I'll only create a ticket if that employee exists. Go ahead and save that. Now I'll open that record. Now let's try test connection. Sometimes this can be a little finicky. Yeah, it says that the key was incorrect. But if I copy this key again and I paste it here, save that, we'll see if that tests right now. There we go. Yeah, we can see that the test was successful here. And if we're ready to use it, we can select Enable Email Listener and click Save. All right, that was how to configure Ivanti Neurons for service management to monitor a Google Workspace account using a Google Service account and the Gmail APIs. This is Jonathan Cook, Integration Engineer at NCSI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.